Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hi guys, what's up? What's good? What's cooking? I hope everyone is doing fine. In this video today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. You guys know that I love to do unboxing. I love to do reviews as well on products. And if you guys are interested in this video, please go ahead, give the video a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a newcomer, welcome. I'm Trisoni, and if you are a family and you've been returning, thanks for sticking around with your girl. I appreciate you guys very much. Let's jump right into this unboxing. So in this video, I have the product that I already unboxed for you guys, and this product is called Gainer Skin Active Microcellular Cleansing Water. I know you all have heard me talk about this product for a while, and this is my favorite product. As you can tell, I finished one bottle already, and I did order two more, as you could tell in the unboxing video. I'm so in love with this product, guys. It is unbelievable. This product does do wonders for your skin, and if you have suffered with sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend this product. I do have a full bottle right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, I do have a full bottle right here, and it does do a all-in-one. It removes makeup and cleanses and smoothes your skin as well. And I realized that it does remove my dark spots a little, but not too much. And also it doesn't, like, it's not really harsh for your skin. It goes really deep down into your skin and get all those good dirt that's been sitting around there in your skin and having a party. So if y'all haven't heard, I guess some persons might know this product while some don't, but microcellular skin cleansing water is gentle for your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, it will definitely help your skin. It helps to glow your skin as well and rejuvenate your skin. It also has a specific formula to remove makeup and refresh your skin. So if you're going out with your girls, or you're just home or you just got home from work, you know, you can just use this cleanser and go to bed. You don't even have to wash the cleanser when you apply it. You can just go to bed, do whatever you're doing during the day or whatever time it is, you will be good. They also came out with this reusable cotton pads. I don't have it here. Let me go and get it for you guys. Give me a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So guys, this is a product I'm telling you guys about. I think they just recently came out with this. If I'm wrong about this, leave it in the comment section down below. But this
You're serious?
I know you lying. I'm also in love with this product. It's very soft and smooth. They tell you how to use this product. All you have to do is make sure you wash it with water and soap before you use the product with the cleansing water. And this did came in three. I got 3. I don't know if you guys can see. I still have 2 more in there. And yeah, if you guys want flawless skin, you guys can literally use these products. As you guys saw that I did use one and it's finished already, and I got myself 2 more. The other bottle is somewhere wherever it is, and so I still have 2 more. Love. I love this product. And so I'm going to end the video right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another review video, and have a good night, good day, and good evening guys. Bye.